Hey knowledge lovers, today we're reviewing the Graphic Design Specialization, a 4-course journey that takes you from visual fundamentals to a polished branding project you can proudly showcase. The link to access this course is in the video description. Let's dive in. What this specialization is about. The program teaches core graphic design skills, composition, color, typography, and image making, while grounding you in process and historical context. You won't just learn tools, you'll learn to think like a designer, translate ideas into visuals, and communicate clearly across print and screen. How the learning flows. Each course adds a building block. First, the language of form and visual hierarchy, then typography as a system, then image making and layout, and finally, a capstone where you assemble a cohesive brand. Short lectures, critiques, and studio-style assignments keep you practicing from day one. Module 1, Fundamentals in Visual Grammar. You'll explore shape, space, contrast, balance, rhythm, and scale, the ingredients of visual hierarchy. Exercises include poster studies and grid experiments that train your eye to arrange elements with intention, not guesswork. Module 2, Typography, Voice, and System. Type becomes your most reliable tool. You'll study classification, serif, sans, slab display, pairing, spacing, and grids. Then practice setting headlines, body copy, and captions so text is legible, expressive, and on-brand. You'll learn to build typographic systems that stay consistent across formats. Module 3, Image Making and Layout. Here you develop imagery that communicates, illustration, photographic treatments, iconography, and pattern. You'll test compositions, color palettes, and layout patterns that scale from social tiles to editorial spreads. The focus is clarity of message and a repeatable process from sketch to final. Module 4, History, Context, and Critique. Design doesn't live in a vacuum. You'll connect your work to movements and milestones in graphic design, learning how context shapes style and meaning. Critique becomes a habit, framing feedback, iterating purposefully, and documenting decisions. Capstone, Comprehensive Branding Project. You'll synthesize everything into a brand system, logo and marks, typography and color, image style, and a set of applications, e.g. poster. Social assets, simple site or editorial spread. Deliverables include a concise brand guide and presentation that explains strategy, rationale, and use cases. Portfolio-ready proof of skill. Remember, if you're interested in this course, you'll find the link with the best price in the description. How you'll learn. Expect studio briefs, peer review, and instructor rubrics that emphasize concept, craft, and communication. You'll leave with tangible artifacts, posters, typographic studies, a miniature identity system, and a documented capstone that demonstrate process as much as polish. Tools and workflows. The specialization is tool agnostic. You can work with industry standards, Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, or capable alternatives, as long as you meet each brief. You'll practice clean file structure, export settings for print and screen, and presentation skills so stakeholders can understand and approve your work. Who this is for? Ideal for beginners, career switchers, and self-taught creators who want formal foundations. It's also a strong refresher if you've focused on UI or social content and want to strengthen typography, layout, and brand thinking for motion, editorial, or interface design. My honest take. This specialization stands out for its balance of concept plus craft plus portfolio. The assignments build real instincts, hierarchy, type discipline, and system thinking that separate hobbyists from professionals. If you invest in the critiques and iterate, you'll finish with a credible brand project and a sharper design voice. The only caveat, software instruction isn't the star here. You're expected to apply the concepts in your tool of choice, which is great for independence, but means you should be ready to practice outside class time. You can obtain this specialization without a one-time payment, simply by purchasing a Coursera Plus subscription, which offers access to this course and more than 7,000 other courses for a monthly or annual fee. The link with the best price will be in the video description. Until next time, knowledge lovers.